Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video, and in this video I will show you how to make an unfilled circle in Photoshop. So let's open our Photoshop software, and let's say you want to create an unfilled circle here. How can you do it? Well, if you look at the sidebar, you will see a rectangular shape, which is also known as rectangle tool. Right click on that and you'll see the ellipse tool. Select it, and then on the top options, make sure to select fill as no color, and then you can select your stroke whichever color you like, and then select the diameter. And then if you want a perfect circle, then hold shift and then drag. It will create a perfect circle for you. And if you want to create an ellipse or something like that, you don't have to hold shift. You can just create it however you like. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.